Alright, here's a problem. You go to hook up your coupler to your hitch. I'm trying to hook up this little wagon up here to my ATV. And I've been getting this. It just won't lock. So I lift it up. So under the coupler here, you have this thing here, and you can sit around and play with the nut here all you want. But it isn't going to make a difference. So what has to happen is this piece here has popped out from behind this bar. You see this bar? It has to go in behind this bar. This part here does. So we just have to push it up and get it in behind that bar and everything will be working good. So I tried pushing this in behind the bar. It won't go. So I'm going to have to undo this nut so that I can get this part here in behind and we'll put the nut back on. Okay, I popped the nut off. I got to put these parts back on. I think that goes like that. There we go. I can't believe how cold this is on my thumb. It's freezing out here. Then we'll put our nut back on. So you can see now that this piece here is behind this post, and I'll show you how it works. Alright, we'll try it out now on the hitch. Put that in place, close the coupler, look at that, works like a charm.